Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm here to give you an update about my YouTube channel. Right, let's begin. About 2 weeks ago, my YouTube channel got hacked. They took away all my videos. I wasn't able to log in. I wasn't able to upload any videos, as you guys know. Thank you for the ones that stayed. I know that it was hard for you not seeing my channel, but I want to thank you guys. I also want to give thanks to my son and YouTube for helping me get back my channel. Everything has been fixed already. I did lose actually a bunch of subscribers for me being hacked. I want to thank to all of you. I want to give thanks to all of you that stayed with me. The way you can help me out is just give a thumbs up to all the videos. Give a thumbs up. I see maybe 1 or 2 commercials. That helps a lot also. But give a thumbs up so that YouTube can know that you like my content, and it'll start promoting my YouTube channel again. There's a lot more videos to come, a lot more giveaways to come. So let's just stay together and grow this channel. I want to thank every single one of you guys. I really appreciate you staying with me, and let's just continue making more videos. I'm gonna be teaching you some more. I'm gonna be doing some more lowrider graphics. I am finishing up this El Camino. There's a video coming up tomorrow on this El Camino. So let's just continue. So this is it for this little quick video. It's just to give you a heads up as to what's going on with my channel. Guys, thank you very much. Stay tuned for tomorrow. There's a video coming up. And have a great weekend. And like always, stay safe and God bless.